Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stamping Up at frenchiestamps.com. Well, today it's my Christmas year round. I'm going to be mixing nature prints. I'm using the fern here, and for the greeting I'm using Peaceful Deer. I'm very short on grading for Christmas. I'm going to be honest with you. I would have loved something to fit in this circle, about 1 inch circle, but I didn't. So this is the closest thing I add on in. So I'm going to use Sending Love and Peace this season. So we're going to start. This is the linen paper. I'm going to start with a piece. It's 2 3/4 by 4. We're going to trim that down, but that's what we're going to start with. I'm using Evening Evergreen, and we're going to start. Oh, you know what, that one's going to be at the top. I want a little bit more. We're going to go around, just completely just around our paper here. It's a little bit like when I did the looking up with the trees, right? Here we go. Just keep on going all around. And it's no right and wrong. You can always come back like I'm doing, add some. You want to keep about one place, kind of a circle there. Here we go. Et voila. Oh, I'm going to have one more right here. So now I get something in the center here. And this one, no, it's going to go this way. So what we're going to do is stamp our greeting. This was Evening Evergreen. We're going to use Real Red. So this one is for any occasion. So I'm doing this year for my Christmas year round. I'm sharing a card like with everyday stamp set, or if I use a Christmas stamp set, then I'm going to do an everyday card. So this one, Hello There, you can use that for any occasion, right? And so this one I'm using the green and the red, and that's going to bring it a lot more Christmassy. I'm going to stamp that there first. Okay. Oh, I want to make sure that in case if I would rock. So let's make sure I'm a little bit more clean on my stamp. Now I'm going to stamp this. And when you stamp on like a greeting, you want it very pronounced. I'm going to hold it there just a little bit on the linen, okay? That should be it. Boom. Perfect. Now, we're going to take our linen and we're going to put that on the Heavy Whisper Basic White. So you're just going to peel that. The linen already got, oops, I should have kept that on it. The linen already got the adhesive in the back, okay? I like to keep it on this, and then I start at the top here. And we're going to trim it, so don't worry if it's not just straight, because sometimes it's stretched and so on. Now I'm going to take this and go down. Okay, if you're way off like this, you can always peel it up. See, I went up. This piece, it's little, so when it's little, it's a lot easier, but it's very friendly. You can move it and you get more than one try, put it that way. Now this is very flush. If you get pocket of air, I call, it's okay. You can press it down and it give a bit of character. Or you can lift it up like I did and do like that. Now my paper was straight, so my paper, I'm going to just trim that off just a little bit here, because it was off a bit. Now I know this is straight. I'm going to cut that right here. And now I want 2 5/8. 2 5/8. Here we go. Now I got 2 5/8 the width, and the length I want 3 7/8. That's too much. Okay, I'm gonna go at 3 3/4. So then I'm going to go at 2 1/2. So it goes. Here we go. Now I'm going to take my stylish dies, and that's okay. For the everyday one, I use the second one from the inside here, the second one and the third one. Now for the Christmas, I use the third and the fourth one, okay? So I use 1, 2, 3 for with the greeting, and then the fourth one for the mask. Okay, let me get back here. Now we're going to put that right here. And let me bring the machine here. You're going to see how simple it is. So we're going to put that right here. Plate form number 1, 2, 3, and then this at the top. We're going to put that right in the, like so, and roll on. That's it. I mean, it cut, the linen paper cut very lovely. I got a video I'm going to attach at the end of this one, just about the linen paper. I'm going to say the linen paper, it's very friendly with dyes and so many techniques you can do with that, but it is not friendly with the punch, okay? Keep that in mind. Now, because we already peeled the linen, now that's on the regular cardstock, we're going to mount that right on top of this, like this. Now, this one going to go at the top here. So again, this the back. Now it's cardstock because we took the linen and put it on cardstock. What's going on here? Here we go. Now we're going to put that right here. Voila. Now for my base, it is 4 1/4 by 11, score at 5 1/2. I'm going to have all supplies and all measurement on my blog. Now for the back, this one here was with Blackberry Bliss. So it's Evening Evergreen with Blackberry Bliss. For the Christmas one, I decided to do the back with Evening Evergreen. And this is the fern embossing folder. And like I said, I will have all item number and so on my blog. Now we're going to put that right here. And did I measure this? Yeah, that's 4 inch wide. Here we go. We're going to put that right here. Now our frame. So you see, it's a very simple card. I think it's time that I clean my adhesive container here. Okay, the longer one going to go at the bottom. Put that right here. Now, oh, this is off a bit here. Here we go. I'm going to use dimensional to raise this one up. So we're going to take some dimensional. We're going to add that right here. Voila. Now I got the solid facet gem. They come in the evergreen there, and I'm using the bigger one. It's 2 different sizes in them, okay? Oops. Here my adhesive, they came apart, but that's okay if it came apart. Now I can take this, put it on it. Et voila. Like to use my scissors to go under like this. And boom. So that add the little thing, and then we get sending love and peace this season. Inside I just did the fern at the bottom, so I can add a different verse for Christmas inside. Et voila. So that is it. So you see, we took an everyday stamp set, turn it into Christmas. Et voila, my friend. Again, all supplies and measurement will be on my blog. Right below you get the direct link. And you can visit at the bottom of this post. You're going to have, because this is the second year I'm doing Christmas year round, you get what that is, number 18, 19 months that I'm doing Christmas year round. So you can scroll at the bottom and you're going to have every month. You can see an everyday stamp set used for Christmas, or see a Christmas stamp set, see for every day. Thank you so much. Till next time, happy stamping, my friend. Bye-bye for now.